Today I am reviewing the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 OC Edition 12GB GDDR7. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 OC Edition is a graphics card designed for gamers, creators, and PC builders who want next-generation performance without sacrificing efficiency, thermals, or compact build compatibility. Built on NVIDIA's powerful Blackwell architecture and equipped with ultra-fast GDDR7 memory, this GPU represents a major step forward in both raw power and intelligent performance optimization. One of the standout features of the RTX 5070 OC Edition is its focus on SFF, or small form factor readiness. ASUS has clearly designed this card with modern compact PC builds in mind. Despite delivering enthusiast-level performance, the card maintains a slim 2.5 slot design, making it compatible with a wide range of cases where larger GPUs simply won't fit. This makes it an excellent option for gamers who want high performance in mini IDX or space-constrained builds without compromising airflow or stability. At the heart of this graphics card is NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, which brings substantial improvements in performance per watt, AI acceleration, and real-time ray tracing. Paired with DLSS 4, the RTX 5070 can intelligently upscale visuals using AI, delivering higher frame rates while maintaining exceptional image quality. This is especially beneficial in modern AAA games, where high resolutions and ray-traced effects can otherwise be extremely demanding. The card comes equipped with 12GB of next-generation GDDR7 memory, which provides significantly higher bandwidth and efficiency compared to previous GDDR6 and GDDR6X solutions. This ensures smoother gameplay at high resolutions, faster texture loading, and improved performance in creative workloads such as video editing, 3D rendering, and AI-assisted applications. For users who plan to keep their GPU for several years, this memory upgrade adds an extra layer of future-proofing. Cooling is another area where ASUS truly excels. The RTX 5070 Prime OC Edition uses Axial-tech fans, featuring a smaller hub that allows for longer blades and improved airflow. The inclusion of a barrier ring helps direct air downward with greater pressure, resulting in more efficient heat dissipation across the heatsink. This means lower temperatures, quieter operation, and more consistent performance even during extended gaming sessions. Adding to the thermal efficiency is ASUS's phase-change GPU thermal pad, which improves heat transfer between the GPU and the cooling solution. This not only helps maintain lower core temperatures, but also enhances long-term reliability by reducing thermal stress on the components. Combined with dual ball fan bearings, which last up to twice as long as traditional sleeve bearings, this card is clearly engineered for durability and sustained performance. Noise levels are well controlled thanks to ASUS's 0 dB technology. During light workloads or casual gaming, the fans can completely stop spinning, allowing the system to run in near silence. This makes the RTX 5070 an excellent choice for users who value a quiet PC environment, whether for late-night gaming, content creation, or everyday productivity. Another premium feature is the dual BIOS switch, which allows users to choose between quiet and performance modes. This gives you direct control over fan behavior and power tuning, letting you prioritize either silence or maximum performance depending on your needs. It's a small but highly appreciated feature that adds flexibility without requiring software adjustments. From a connectivity standpoint, the card supports PCIe 5.0 for maximum bandwidth and future compatibility, along with HDMI and DisplayPort 2.1 outputs, making it ready for high refresh rate monitors, 4K, and even 8K displays. Whether you're gaming at high frame rates or working with ultra-high resolution content, this GPU is fully prepared. ASUS's Auto Extreme manufacturing process ensures exceptional build quality by using fully automated production for precise soldering and consistent component placement. This reduces manufacturing defects and improves long-term reliability, which is especially important for a high-performance component like a graphics card. Finally, ASUS includes GPU Tweak 3 software, giving users access to intuitive performance tuning, advanced thermal controls, and real-time system monitoring. Whether you're an experienced overclocker or a beginner who just wants simple control, the software makes customization easy and accessible. In conclusion, the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 OC Edition 12GB GDDR7 is a well-balanced, future-ready graphics card that combines cutting-edge performance with compact design, efficient cooling, and premium build quality. It's an excellent choice for gamers and creators who want next-gen power in a reliable, quiet, and space-efficient package. If you're building a modern PC and want performance that lasts, this GPU deserves serious consideration.